If you'd like to know how I grew my natural hair from this to this, then stick around and watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing with you how I make a fenugreek and ginger hair oil for hair growth. You'll be needing some extra virgin olive oil or any other carrier oil of your choice. I used 2.5 cups of this. I'll be sharing with you benefits of all the ingredients I'll be using as we go along. Next, I use some fenugreek. If you watch my videos, you'll know how much I love my fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds have high protein and nicotinic content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. Then I'll be adding some ginger. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. It stimulates the hair follicles, which in turn promotes natural hair growth. It is rich in vitamins and minerals, which strengthen the hair. So I just grated all of that ginger clove into my bowl to make this a lot richer. After which I added some rosemary. Rosemary prevents baldness, graying of the hair, promotes shininess. It's also great for healing skin problems. Next, I added some neem leaves. Neem can be used to treat hair lice, promote healthy hair growth, as well as reduce dandruff. I cannot stress how much I have used neem leaves to grow my hair. I have used neem leaves since I started my hair growth journey, and I could see the exact benefits that it gives to my hair. So I went ahead to stir this mixture together. After which I transfer it into a pot, with which I'll be using to steam this on very low heat for about 3 minutes. When I steamed the mixture on low heat, this is what I got. The oil smells so good. I feel like eating it. Actually, it smells just like food. When that was ready, I went ahead to transfer that and sieve that into a clean bowl. I'm sieving this to remove all the particles because I want to have a clear oil to use for my hair, because at this point all the nutrients from all the ingredients we've used have completely infused into the oil and it's ready to be used. I went ahead to apply this on my skin to see how this feels on the skin, because it's a very rich oil which I use for my hair and it feels so silky. You could see that this oil really is going to condition your hair and not just only promote hair growth, it's going to keep it moisturized. If you like this video and you've watched up to this point, then simply go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you always get notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you on my next one.